but we see athletes of all levels. We have a young man that plays college baseball at a high level in the SEC, and he recently had to have Tommy John surgery, and he purchased a panel for home, and it's really allowed us to be able to expedite his recovery in between sessions. So the soreness has gotten significantly better. He had to have an ulnar nerve transposition, and he was just having some nervy symptoms that weren't resolving in the normal or typical pattern. Nothing concerning, but it was just frustrating because it slowed down what we were able to do because we didn't want to tick off his nerve. But once we got the laser going in the office and the red light going at home, it really kicked us into overdrive. So that would be a great example from an athletics perspective, and a kid that's trying to get back and compete for a starting spot. We have professional triathletes and age group world champion level triathletes that have had hamstring strains, back pain, those kinds of things. And when we implement the red light with them, they've been able to then go out and have their training session at the intensity that they were hoping to have it. So on the athletic side, that's part of it. But we also have some folks that, they're just people like me that they just want to be active and get around and do life. And so we've had a few patients with a total knee or total hip, and we've been able to use the red light with them as part of their recovery process. And it just allows them to not feel as stiff when they're doing their exercises, or when they get up to go to the grocery store and walk around, they're just not as stiff. So it's really kind of the whole gamut is seeing some really cool results. This just popped in my head.